Hello everyone, today I am planning to do a prosperity toss, also known as Yisang in Malaysia. So I ordered the salmon sashimi from my regular merchant, Maison Oishi. To my surprise, this time the box came with a very special red ribbon tied up like a present, and also some ang pao packet in the special casing. I think they are having some promotion right now. It is really nice. Although this is not a sponsored video, I just want to share my happiness and recommend it as I like this merchant and their product. Let's open the present together. This is really well packed to retain the chill temperature to keep the sashimi fresh. Alright, it is open. Wow, really well thought of. There is not too many ice blocks, just one small block on the salmon piece. The fish is vacuum packed and looks so fresh. This is 1.5 kilograms of salmon fillet. It looks so yummy, right? Okay, let's see what I have ordered. Cuka Aidako or baby octopus, pack of 500 grams each. Seasoned seaweed, it's still frozen. And some wasabi. So tonight we can have sashimi after the Yisang. I can't wait. Let's see what I have here. 1.5 kilograms of salmon. 1.5 kilograms of Cuka Aidako in 3 packets, 1 kilograms of seasoned seaweed, and 1 packet of wasabi. Let's try the Cuka Aidako. So good, just like the one I had in Japanese restaurant. This is one of my favorite when it comes to Japanese food. Let's open up the salmon. Very well packed as it is very dry inside the packet. There are a few moisture absorbent pads underneath the fish inside to keep it dry. The fish must be as dry as possible before cutting, so I am using the kitchen towel to pat dry before cutting it. Disclaimer, I am not a chef and this is not a tutorial video teaching how to cut sashimi. My intention is to share how I enjoy sashimi at home with my family. Since it comes in a big piece, I am cutting the sashimi as per my family enjoyment. Cutting it one block here. And one here. See, it's super fresh. Keep the rest in the ice box first to retain the freshness. This is quite a big block. Let's cut it into half. And half again to remove the skin. Now I am cutting it into smaller pieces. Have to be really slow as my knife is not super sharp. Alright, this is ready to be served. I will cut some and keep it for Yisang. And here is one more, sending it to my in-laws' house. Does it look beautiful? I will continue with the rest and then go enjoy my sashimi with my family. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!